Hey everyone, I am here. I got my Fire and Ice package. I just want you to see it's packaged with that kind of tape, and it was loose. Anybody could have just opened it. I was just able to open it right up. I did get the entire collection. I'm sorry, I'm like in my car. I didn't want to be late for an appointment. So there is the box. And look down here. This is really cool. A little dragon pins from says Wet n Wild. And then why do I have to sneeze all of a sudden? Okay, so this was the extra shadow, the Night Squad, that was not in, it's not supposed to be in this box. And the other one, Dragon Scales, that's not supposed to be in the box. So I got that. And then these are Walmart exclusives. Glow Watcher, which is a white with a blue duochrome, and Bronze Dynasty, which I'm not sure if that's the lightest or the darkest bronze. See, I don't wear bronzers per se. I use bronzers as contour. Alright, this is also Walmart exclusive. This is a white lip topper, but it belongs to the Fire Dragon because it's got a red duochrome. You could see it too. I had to cut my nails. And then of course white with the blue duochrome. I really like the white with the blues, the highlighter and whatnot. That's really excited me. And then here you've got the Ice Dragon highlighter brush. And then here you've got the Fire Dragon, the bronzer brush. But again, I use bronzers as I'm in my car. I've got the air conditioner on. Crap. Alright. I don't have a scissor, so I don't know how to get this open here. Alright. This seems to be working. Here we go. Okay, good. Okay, so here we go. So here I am opening up my Fire and Ice. And as usual, they have the bubble wrap, which I really appreciate. It's just hard to... There we go. There we go. So I really appreciate that. I just don't like when they send... Okay, I think the Dynasty is actually the medium bronzer because You're Dragging Me Down's the lighter one, and the Queensland looks dark. And then you've got the two eyeshadows sets. So I really appreciate the purple and the red. This actually looks exactly like one of the from the last one, Flights of Fancy, only the colors are in different places. And then here you've got the loose pigment for the Fire. So you've got the gold, which I'm very interested in comparing this to their last holiday collection. They also had it out again for Halloween last year. It's like I guess they have a lot left over and they just keep relabeling it. So let's see. I don't think they've ever had a red pigment. And I have to check. The blue pigment I have to check because I know they had a blue one. And then the white one, which I think people said has like a purple duochrome to it. So that excites me. And then of course you have Winter in LA and the Halo Walkers, which is really cool. I love this blue. I know blue tends to make you look bruised, but I find that really cool. And then another thing I want to compare all this to, which some people have. I want to compare this to the Midnight Mermaid. see, some people compared this to the Midnight Mermaid and this is actually looks more like a dark teal than a blue. And this one was, I think, more redder than the Midnight Mermaid one. I would love to do this with the Coral Midnight Mermaid color, and this was the one I was most excited for. It's a taupe, but it has like a purple undertone. Shall We Slay? So I was really excited about that one. So yes, this is my Fire and Ice. I was so excited. I love Game of Thrones, so this is Game of Thrones themed. Everybody's flipping out saying, oh, they're gonna get sued. No, Game of Thrones does not own dragons, and they don't own ice dragons either, because I know at least one movie that has an ice dragon in it, and I've heard other people say that there are other movies that have ice dragons in it too, so that's ridiculous. Game of Thrones cannot sue them. They do not own dragons, so you know, it's, you know, yes, there's going to, they haven't even said that the fire dragon's going to fight the ice dragon. We just assume that that's what's going to happen, which saddens me greatly. I was so hurt when Game of Thrones, what happened that with the ice dragon. I don't want to say anymore in case you haven't seen it, but you should have, because it's been over a year. But anyway, I'm so excited. I've really been looking forward to this. So yeah, so this is my unboxing. Okay, now I've been sick this week. Not sick, I had a stomach virus. My whole family did. And then I had appointment after appointment. So I was going to do a video today, but I got another appointment. I'm outside the office. I'm actually here half an hour early because I went to go pick this up, the box up. So yeah, so this is it. I'm really excited and just doing this in my car. So sorry that I'm not getting a tutorial out to you. I'm really excited about using more of the Zodiac collection. And I'm excited about this. I can't wait to try those lip colors and those highlighters and those loose pigments. I think I'm more excited about the loose pigments than I am about the shadows. Okay, so I will hopefully see you guys this week. Tomorrow I have my esophagus procedure, so hopefully I'll see you next week. Okay, love you. Bye.